Tano for love, all you beautiful people out there. It's Tofiga here. So come to Tofiga. I'm here at my home away from home here in Samoa, Taumeasina Island Resort. And right now, as you can see behind me, this is the opportunity where you can learn how to climb a coconut tree. The reason why I'm doing the video here is because I can't climb the coconut tree. If you see the coconut trees on the left, that's the one that I tried to climb. It was straight here, and then a bit that way as I tried to climb up. But you can test it out. We've got some of the awesome staff here to teach you some lessons, and we'll let you have a look and see how you can climb up a coconut tree every Wednesday from 10 a.m. Around about there, depending how hot it is. Come here to Taumeasina Island Resort to find out how you can climb a coconut tree. You use her. There you go, fresh out here at Taumeasina Island Resort. The lovely thing about you is that you can drink it, then you can eat it, you can build a house bar. Sample it to build it. And once you saw him climb the tree, now you know why I don't climb the tree. Oh, my sweet, yeah. There are many reasons why you will love coming to Taumeasina Island Resort here in Samoa. As you can see, the beautiful swimming pool behind me. We have the kids' pool just on my left, and even further down, you've got the white sandy beaches. But not only that, in the evenings, you can be entertained by Cindy of Samoa, Wednesday nights, 8 o'clock till 8, also Friday nights as well. And on Saturday, we have Fia Night, where it's open to everyone. So if you want to enjoy yourself some entertainment and also chill out, come here to Taumeasina Island Resort. Now, if you're like me and you love your food, then Taumeasina Island Resort, I've got all your needs, whatever your dietary requirement. That's like, why would you come somewhere if you're on a diet? But anyway, if you do, you definitely want to check out the La Pizza restaurant here at Taumeasina. The whole little appetizers, you know, the grill, eat fish, fresh fish, whatever you need, and enjoy eating. They've got pizzas as well, pasta, the whole lot here at Taumeasina. So if you're vegetarian as well, anything, whatever your need is, here at the La Pizza restaurant, you definitely want to check them out. Here at the Taumeasina Island Resort, they also have the bar as well. Great stuff, awesome service. So if you ever feel hungry and just staying here in La Pia, come and check out the Taumeasina Island Resort, La Pizza restaurant. Maybe after a night of entertainment here at Taumeasina Island Resort, checking out all the events here in La Pia, if you need to relax, just wind down, you definitely want to come here with the spa and gymnasium here in Taumeasina Island Resort. Get nice, relax, and then massage and everything. Definitely one of the best places for massage here at in Samoa. We've also got the gymnasium as well. If you want to still keep fit, or you're here in Samoa under the aircon, check out the gym here, stand on the art. Oh, I love the gym here. I mean, you see that in the makers here, come get a bit of people. But we're going to take you through. Here's some of the awesome ways you can wind down and also keep fit here in Samoa at Taumeasina Island Resort. Now, when I'm here at Taumeasina Island Resort, you can probably tell just by my physique, this is my favorite place to hang out, which is the gymnasium. A great place to keep fit. You got your treadmills, your bikes, you got your free weights, you got your other machines here, rowing machine, the whole lot. Today I was just working on my chest, you know, just in case something happens to me. Anyway, we're here at Taumeasina Island Resort. This is the Humpy Gym here, and if you want to keep fit, and once again, mainly after a good workout, they have a nice massage here at the Spa and Gymnasium, Taumeasina Island Resort. Here will do what you can see. I'm standing outside the Taumeasina Island Resort shuttle. I'm getting ready to head back to Aotearoa, New Zealand. We're out here, we like the evenings too. It's my home away from home. But if you're ever at Samoa and you're looking for a great place to stay and experience Samoa, awesome service, great food, come here to Taumeasina Island Resort with memories of a rewhaitu, the pleasant tea.